To my future son, it's finally your big day. I hope you're just as excited as I am now on my wedding day writing this letter to you.
I'll get you home when you are tired. Stand next to you when you're in the fire. I'll get you home.
Life has been a little crazy, as weddings are no small feat. Your mom and I decided to do a do-it-yourself wedding, which your mom put way too much effort into because she's a perfectionist. Even writing this letter to you was her idea, but now sitting here seeing everything come together is a dream. I am so lucky to have gone through the tough season of engagement with your mother, because she's the one who always makes me feel at peace when things get a little crazy. You probably know what I'm talking about.
So mine was done up. He wanted me to, can you do mine? So I said, well, here, take mine. It's already done up, and it fit him perfectly. So he's wearing the tie that I bought, and I'm wearing the tie that he bought. And to me, that is freaking awesome.
To my future daughter, today is your wedding day, and today is my wedding day. It's beautiful to think that years apart we can connect on a similar experience. One of the most special days anyone can experience in a lifetime, filled with love, friends, and family. I hope you are as excited and hopeful to marry your husband as I am to marry your dad. It's been a wild and fast ride, and I'm sure we'll feel just the same for me when it's your wedding day. I know that even before I know your name or see your face, I know I love you dearly. I can only imagine how beautiful you look. I'm sure you have made your dad cry on many occasions leading up to your day, but to see his reaction when he sees you in your white dress, I'm sure it will be reminiscent of the face he will make when he first sees me in my white dress.
I'm so glad that you found that woman who makes you feel free, even when your circumstances aren't always that way. Love her with everything you have and with no strings attached. When you fail, go to Jesus and He will set you in the right direction. Forgive and serve your soon-to-be wife with full grace and don't expect anything in return. That's unconditional love. Put all of your nerves behind you and all of your fears and enjoy your special day like I will be doing today on August 23rd, 2019. If you're anything like me, dance your heart out and enjoy every moment. I love you, son. Dad.
To the man you choose, I hope he is kind and gentle, God-fearing, and an amazing dancer, just like your father. To be loved by a man like your dad is a gift, but I'm sure you already know that. Step into this next season, knowing that I'm your biggest fan. We love you both dearly, and you'll never stop being my little girl. Love, Mom. Now you're crying.
That's beautiful.